Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell printables on Etsy in 2026, step by step, even if you are starting from zero. By the end, you will know how to create list and scale printable products into a real income stream. Let's get started. Step one, understand what printables are. Printables are digital files customers download and print themselves. Examples: planners, right? Wall art, checklists, budget sheets, kids' activities. No shipping, no inventory, pure digital art. Art, pure digital product, excuse me. Step two, choose a profitable niche. Don't go broad, go specific. Winning niches in 2026 are budget and finance planners, wedding printables, kid learning sheet, fitness trackers, business templates. Example: instead of planner, you can use minimalist budget planner for beginners. Step 3, create your printable. You can use simple tools like Canva, right? PowerPoint or Illustrator. Inside Canva, you could go ahead and just search for, like, let's say planner here. Yeah, planner. Be more specific, but as you can see right here, this is an example. And choose one of the designs and just hit customize this template. And you can add your own logos, your own photos. Keep design clean, easy to read, and functional. And once you're done, you can export the file by hitting share inside Canva and choose PDF instead of GBG or PNG or PDF, the other version. You choose. Let me show you. It's better if I showed you. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead here. Let's say you're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit. Sorry, taken so long. Right. Hit share here. Download. And instead of PDF standard, you gotta just select PDF print or best for printables, and then hit done or hit download, excuse me. And you can create listing images. Your images sell the product. You can use Canva. Show what's printable, what the printable looks like, how it's used, what's included. Create 5 to 10 images per listing. Step 6, set up your Etsy shop. Go to Etsy, log in using your account or sign up, and then hit the shop manager and continue all your all your details, basically. Right? And yeah, add the shop name, logo, and banner, and upload your product. One listing, upload images, title, description, upload a PDF file, and of course set your pricing. And optimize for Etsy SEO. To get traffic, use keywords in title, add relevant tags, include keywords in description. Example keywords like printable planner, budget tracker PDF, wall art printable. SEO means free traffic. And price your printables. Typical pricing for simple printable is $2 to $7, right? Bundles should be 10 to 30. Bundles means higher profit. So promote your product. Don't rely only on Etsy. Use Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram to market your product, right? To sell your product, basically. And content ideas, show your printable in use, tutorials, before and after results, and get your first sales. To start, price competitively, offer value, optimize thumbnails. First sales build momentum. Step 12, scale your store. Once you get traction, add more products, create bundles, improve designs, build a niche brand. More listings means more traffic. Best printable ideas are daily planners, wedding invitations, resume templates, kids worksheets, affirmation cards. Avoid low quality designs, no SEO, poor thumbnails, too broad niche, only 1 to 2 products. So to rewind one last time, choose a niche, design printable, export PDF, create mockups, upload to Etsy, and promote. Done. Selling printables on Etsy in 2026 is one of the easiest ways to start online businesses or online business with zero inventory and low cost. With tools like Canva, you can create professional products quickly and scale over time. Just focus on solving real problem, clean design, strong presentation, consistent upload. That's how you build a profitable printable business. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you. Yeah, bye.